Um, from a warranty, from just a warranty perspective, customer, likes, dislikes are changing. What they want, how they're perceiving vehicles. We are definitely seeing that the average purchase price of vehicles is going up. Has been going up for the past 2 years. It's still going to go up as we go along. Um, so let's assume for a second that all the durability testing has been carried out. It's a finished product, versus some of these startups that have sprung up all over the country, especially in the two-wheeler space, where products have come to market very quickly. How as a customer, how do you help them make a decision? Because at the end of the day, none of the OEMs, yeah, if we compare, like, let's say a startup versus an established OEM that has done the testing, how do we publish numbers? How do we make the customer aware that product A has had the testing, has gone through the requisite planning and validation, versus OEM B or product B, which has just come to market, whether it's assembled, not done the testing, whatever. The customer doesn't know, and that usually tends to, they tend to go with either public opinion or just brand loyalty, a lot of different things. Any thoughts there?
Yes. You made a point, and that has been our challenge for a long time. And then a lot of OBD2 onboard diagnostics, etc., is coming, and then the new norms are coming in BS6. That's the IC part of it. But when we come to electric vehicle, what happens today, we really don't have. I really don't have the correct answer for you because there's a lot of haziness in the market, and we are not very transparent. Let us accept it. We don't publish data transparently. We don't have mechanism to, like, if you ask me, I would have had another ARI or ICAT which is only monitoring the launch, post-launch, and giving some kind of a certificate or some kind of a validation to the RTOs, etc. But this has gone through this cycle, and we are sure of this. And the financiers, I find one of the answers coming for you is a lot of finance companies, auto finance companies, or government institutions, or logistics companies, they have started demanding this data from the manufacturer, like particularly for three-wheelers and four-wheelers, etc. And I hope two-wheelers also it happens. If I'm financing a vehicle for you, then I have got all the right to write off many things, and I have to understand the risk of failures. Then there should be, I hope, probably I'm not that well read. There should be some kind of a standard which should be available to the financier, to the customer, that look, this vehicle has gone through this, and this has been certified by this. But that is again uh, sample data. So what your point you are raising that over the year it should be also published. Probably that's the point you're saying that these are the manufacturers. These are
Yes,
like
either over the years, or something similar to JD Power, right? JD Power does this. Yeah,
coming to.
but again, even they tend to come from customer surveys, but they don't merge the customer and the OEM surveys, right? So that's what it was something I was going with.
Yes, yes. I was coming to that. JD Power is one of the very reliable. It has been doing the survey for a long time, and perhaps for EV you can have evolve a little more detailed, what you call metrics or matrices for that.